Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a great and a huge project on my backyard. I am gonna show you a full installation and a review of a gazebo, of a patio that looks so very great and such a high quality by Purple Leaf. So I'm gonna show you day before and day after, and guys, that's such an amazing upgrade to my backyard. So we had this area of our backyard which was completely unused and I had no idea what to do with that, and I was kind of greedy because it's like such a nice area and it's just lots of land and there was just nothing there. We just never ever used it. And by the way, we just moved into a brand new house. Everything is new here, so we are decorating and renovating the house and making it by our own point of view. So I'm basically doing a full-time job here on the backyard and on my house as well. So I was wondering what to do with all these empty area, which not the previous owners used this area by any means, and we neither, just because it seemed like kind of stuck there behind the deck, and there's basically nothing to do with that. So I was looking what to do with this area, and I've decided that the best idea is going to be to put a gorgeous and great big huge gazebo there, and to create a cozy and very nice space to sit on, to hang out on, to have dinners with our friends, to grill, or just simply to have your morning coffee at this area. So because we are living in the middle of the woods, just simply in the middle of forest, in a gorgeous and beautiful area, it even looks better because it's just basically a gazebo in the middle of the forest. And we've put some outdoor furniture inside and some lights around, and it just simply looks so very pretty. So I'm so very excited about this gazebo. So guys, let me show you the full unboxing, installation, and the final results, of course, even though I've already seen them. But anyway, let me show you the whole process and tell you everything about it. So let's get started. So guys, here is a full installation that took us a week of this metal patio gazebo by Purple Leaf. So first of all, what I want to say is that this is a gorgeous and such a high quality of a product. Like the metal that it is made of is just breathing high quality. How it is all made together, the final result of this gazebo is just incredibly impressive. I do have to say though that the installation, the assembling process, can be annoying and it's a long process. It took us a week to fully assemble it together. While I'm saying a week, I actually made 2 full days of weekend, like full Saturday day and full Sunday day, and then during the week, every working day after working hours. So every day for about 2 to 3 hours, my husband was working on it, and twice he brought a friend to help him with that. So my husband is a very handy man, and still the assembling process can really be challenging sometimes. Now I really want to mention the instructions. The instructions, sometimes they are extremely clear, very user-friendly, and it's very native to understand what goes where, especially that all of the parts are marked with stickers. So D goes to D, B goes to B, A goes to A. So it's pretty easy to understand what goes where. But sometimes the instructions are really confusing. So what happened is that a few times he had to uninstall a part. After he installed the part, he had to take it apart because he couldn't understand well the instructions. So just please note that the installation, the assembling process can be challenging here and there. But I am definitely and 100% think that the final result definitely worth every second we spent on assembling this gazebo. So the final result is just incredible. We've put some lights around and it just went out so very gorgeous and so very pretty. We are definitely enjoying this gazebo a lot, and we are hanging out in this one every single time right now, and it's perfect for all the year round. It's perfect for any type of a weather. It's good for any season. It's 100% waterproof, and it is a UV resistant. It can take any type of a weather, a windy weather, so this one is resistant against a high wind. So if the wind anywhere between 36 to 47 of mph, of miles per hour, it is gonna stand with this type of a wind, and this is a very high wind, guys. So this one can be used all the year around, any type of a weather, even a heavy, very heavy snow load. This patio still gonna stand very nicely. It comes with a tiled roof, and it is a rust resistant, a water resistant, and it is coming with a 1 year of warranty. So you can be assured about the quality of this one. So I am obsessed how every single piece of this gazebo is a highest quality. Like you can actually see on the metal frames, on the curtains, on the net, how high quality and how with love and with a lot of thinking this gazebo was created. This is a stylish, gorgeous, such a very well and good looking outdoor patio gazebo. It is features a simple design that offers a large shade, and it is giving an efficiently large protection from bright light, from the sun's rays and the harsh heat, as well as from snowing, from raining. If you still want to hang out outdoors and it's raining outside, you definitely can close all the curtains and stay inside, since the roof isn't leaking. And the curtains really helps to keep off all the dirt. So we just simply always keep it closed, because this is how we don't need to deal with all the dirt inside a gazebo. Also, we also keep the net closed because we're living in the woods and there is lots of insects like mosquitoes, flies, and so very on. Especially if you want to dine in this gazebo, the net is just a lifesaver. So I'm so very happy that the design of this gazebo is such a user-friendly design, because you can always put the net on and simply have no mosquitoes and no insects inside of your gazebo. You can just simply enjoy your food or just your hanging out time inside without being worried about any annoying insects. So the screens are really helpful. I would even say the screens are a must-have, and I'm happy that this gazebo comes with a screens already. This gazebo is a fade-resistant and rust-resistant as well. This one is made with a galvanized steel tops, which are keeping out the bright light and harmful UV rays from harming the roof and the gazebo quality. This one having a great drainage system design. This patio having a reasonably sloped roof, which is designed to allow any water to drain quickly from the roof. And the water gutter design ensures that the rainwater will flows out of the edge of the frame and poles without staying on the roof. This is how well it is designed. Its powder coated finish, sturdy aluminum frame with a pre-drilled holes base designed for a sturdy installation, which offers stability in windy conditions. I love the double top design, which means that the double top vented roof for an optimum airflow and comfort. It helps withstand strong winds, and as you can see, guys, it is even having a nets like screens around the double top vented roof just to prevent any insects into the gazebo and to allow a good and high quality of ventilation inside. So this one is coming in so many different like sizes. I've got mine in 12 on 16, while this one comes in many sizes like 10 on 14, 10 on 12, 12 on 12, 12 on 16, 12 on 18, 12 on 20, and 12 on 14. I truly love the hooks on the top of the roof inside of the gazebo. So these hooks can be used to place anything you want inside of the gazebo. Like it can be fans, it can be chandeliers, it can be hanging lights, or anything else that you can think of. All these can be placed all around the shed. After turning on the lights at night, the atmosphere is super cozy and so very nice. This gazebo is so very perfect for any type of an outdoor events, such as any type of parties, for grills, like to have food, to dine inside, to grill around. You can use it as a house swim spa, like you can put a hot tub inside of this gazebo, or you can put any other furniture. And by the way, because it is having these curtains, which aren't see-through, these are like a very thick curtains that you can fully close, so no one ever can see what's going on inside. There's basically no way to see what's happening inside. You can put a hot tub or a swim spa inside of this gazebo, close the curtains, and go naked. Isn't it nice? That is definitely a very nice upgrade to your marriage life, or if you are single, even better, you know. Also, you can use this one obviously to any other type of an outdoor activities as well. So guys, here you can see the before and after. I filmed it before, obviously during the winter time. Now it's spring and summer, so the woods are full with leaves and it even looks better. So guys, I really hope you are impressed the same way I am. Be so very sure to check Purple Leaf out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, discounts, and so very on. Guys, I cannot wait to know your opinion down below in the comments about this new gazebo of mine. Please let me know what do you think about the upgrade of the area, like day before and after. And I'm so very curious to know your opinion about it. And honestly, I would prefer it to be like, in a bright color, but that's the only color they had. And I was kind of, skeptical about the color because I love everything in white. I love everything in bright colors. This is how I design my house, just everything white. So I was skeptical about the color, but at the end of the day, it turned out to be such a gorgeous area of like sitting and hanging out area that I am truly in love right now with this color as well. I love the finish of the parts. It looks so very like, such a high-end parts, and it's just everything makes sense and it looks so very cute. So guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments, and be so very sure to check Purple Leaf out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other information like coupon codes, sales, discounts, and so very on. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.